All right, so today we're going to look at a string method. In a previous video we talked about how converting a string, like we did right here, we're having an input using a scanner. We're going to take that input and we're going to convert that to all lowercase letters. Now in this video we're going to actually look at the opposite of that one. We're going to convert it to uppercase. It's just another string method that Java has built in. So it's really as simple as this. So here's our scanner. Okay, we're gonna print out just a line that says please enter a word, and then we're gonna make a variable accepting that input, and we're gonna take that input that's a string and we're gonna convert those letters to all uppercase letters. So no matter what we enter in there, it's gonna convert all of them to uppercase, and then we're gonna print that off right here. All right, so let's go ahead and run this a second. And maybe we want to use the word programming, okay, like we've done in the past. Okay, hit enter, and what's going to happen is it's going to convert all of those letters to uppercase. Now obviously the first letter is already uppercase, but it converts all the rest of them to uppercase letters. Just kind of a useful tool that Java has built in. If we wanted to, just to show you that it'll do all those letters, we'll do all of them lowercase, so when we type them in, they all get converted to uppercase. All right, so this is just the uppercase string method. So you can convert, anything that you have entered there that's a string, and you can convert it all to uppercase. Okay, kind of a quick video here, but hopefully that helps you. Good luck.